Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change PIN on a Samsung Smart TV. To do this, first you will need to click on the home button on your remote, then move to the left and scroll down to the settings. Inside we'll be able to find General and Privacy. Go for the System Manager, then there's a Change PIN. Right here you'll be able to enter your PIN, and by default it should be 4x0. Then you can create your new PIN and then confirm it on the line below. And here we have it, our PIN have been changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.